has she been here?
She's been here about 3.5 years. 3 years old. She was still a working ship up until 1992. Yeah, she was originally built as a passenger liner in England, up in Sunderland,
Yeah.
by a company called William Highland Pounds to assist in getting it here. With that, money that the guys raised, and we one-off grant back in 2000 by the federal government of $850,000. That's how we got it here. But it's had a lot of donations to it. For instance, the cradle we're sitting on, we had to work out. That was taken off it when they turned it into an isolation hospital. We are negotiating, they are negotiating with us, the correctional services in Adelaide, to work with the guys inside.
Oh, okay.
And they're contemplating doing the Mallet Spring Forest.
Wow.
To supply the timber. They'll do the work, yeah. 40 feet long, weighs about 3.5 tons.
Still in good shape.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's not her original rudder. This one was built in 1877 here in Adelaide. It's actually a Queensland iron park.
Oh, okay.
Right. She lost her original rudder on a return journey back to England. What she used to do, she'd offload the passengers here. She'd go up to Port Augusta and pick up the copper, wool and wheat to go back to England. She's single men, and in between were families and couples. We usually have a square window. We have a porthole like this one. We have 3 bunks, which can hold 2 people. Walls out to about here, little hot water heater, and a hand basin to do your washing, whatever, and a drawer curtain across the front for your privacy. That's been your home for 93 days. Port Augusta, then down, and he brought her back through the back stairs passage.
Oh, okay, when she was damaged, yep.
That's her up at Port Augusta. You can see the water tower up there.
Ah, we've just come from Port Augusta.
Yeah. This is the 1874 journey. Left England, and she took 87 days. Each dot is a day's travel as she went around.
Oh, okay.
Right, straight over the equator, underneath the Cape, into the Roaring Forties, straight up into the port. Lost a lot of young children. They were buried at sea due to scarlet fever. Right? And she had a fire on board, that desalination plant that I was telling you about. Got a bit windy and rough around this area, and one of the sheets on the sails, ripped and wrapped itself around the chimney.
Oh, and caught light.
I've never been in one. A couple of times before, it goes down far.
Comfy?
Yeah.
Now wait for the boat to move.
There you go. Rock in the
What do you reckon?
Cool.
Did you want to have a turn, Kenzie? Yeah?
It'd be good for a baby because it rocks.
You want to swap seats, sweetie?
Okay, it's not as easy to get out of.
Now, you're out. Let's see how Kenzie goes.
There we
You gonna have a nap?
Go to sleep.
Not sure.
Leave you there for the day.
And thing is, if you wanted a blanket, you could just pull it over you.
Are you ready to get
Well,
out?
you would.
Let's see how you get out, Kenzie.
That's right. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yep.
And if you look up, it's not going back.
No, we're doing keeping inside.
The elements out.
Yeah.
So how many cabins would there have been up here?
6 on each side.
6, 8. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
The big dining table down
the middle with the big...
A wooden staircase going up there to it.
Yep.
And then you'd have a dining table. And there's also a piano up there.
Oh, okay. Wow.
For entertainment. We do have that piano.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Back into the ship.
Yeah.